Welcome back to yet another video. I just finished reacting to Chile One company, and here we are with a vacancy. Wait, did they just have a vacancy in the company? What happened to the company? Okay, I see what you did there, Chile One. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the US of A. If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's get to the song. Hold on, this is the same song I just reacted to. Okay. We need a vacancy. Chile One vacancy. What's going on here? Technology. Featuring Frank Rowe, okay?
Ever do step feeling like to phone again. Hey, Frank.
Oh na na na, baby, cool your temper. Oh yes, I surrender. Izona umasiba wenzena kolide akayamba.
Whoa. Beautiful voice, Mr. Frank. I think this is not the first time I've seen Frank's music. I've actually done a lot of music reactions. So yeah, it's not. I'm familiar with a lot of this artist now.
I swear you regret, baby. Lelo na invela vacancy. Oh, baby, lelo na invela importance. Wenzena yo mumutima wanga, baby, lelo na invela vacancy.
Baby, today I am feeling the vacancy. Okay.
Baby, lelo na invela importance. Wenzena yo mumutima wanga.
Why did you leave me? Do you wanna kill me? See, my heart is broken without your love.
Hold on, Frank Rowe. Why am I'm confused? Is he from? No. I'm gonna check something here, guys. Anyway, let's continue here. I'm gonna try to.
You know I had to leave. I guess I had to lose you on the way to find me. Yeah, Apollo na ishi baze mani na liuba. If you say babon fesha kobukali na sumina. Na nishi mevona jijine vya mkuba. Wisha kutupita. Hala ni wewe munandi. Nawe mune walishi. Ukwa ulaiwe I'm nothing. Chilinda kuna nena.
Baby, cool your temper. Oh
yes, their voices together.
Mutima wakano bola, mogodi weze deep maning. Malona siya mumutima ni ambili. I swear you regret, baby lelo na invela vacancy. Oh, baby lelo na invela importance. Weze na yo mumutima wanga, baby lelo na invela vacancy. Oh, baby lelo na invela importance. Weze na yo mumutima wanga. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, nah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, I was just checking if Frank Rowe is from Malawi because sometimes I think I mix up artists from Zambia and Malawi, especially the ones that I don't react to as often. But Frank Rowe is actually from Zambia, so yeah, I just want to make that clear because I don't want somebody to say, "What did you just say?"
Yeah, so earlier today, I had to call me like make something catchy. Nili na mao yoka back, Chile don't cheat. What am I doing? I can't even do my pitch. Every the Frank Rowe, quality shako if you have a catch.
No way, every day I'm going astray. I'm losing myself, come and show me the right way. Who am I? What am I doing here without you? Every night, Babulana, ni wambo ndakaza Efyo njira muchiparapara tinkakumanya kowapara iwe Hey, apambaila feno kunonga musonga Fidele putemo pane nchitanda stand Nana roda kutubili ndastakas Monica syndrome ilanjikata body still
Baby, cool your temper. Oh yes, I surrender. This all now, maziwa wezena konide akayamba. Mutima wakano pola, mogoti weze deep maningi. Malo unasiya mumutima ni amili. I swear you regret, baby lelo na invela vacancy. Oh, baby lelo na invela importance. Wezena yo mumutima wanga, baby lelo na invela vacancy. Oh, baby lelo na invela importance. Wezena yo mumutima wanga.
Baby, cool your temper. Oh yes, I surrender. So now, maziwa wezena konide akayamba bo Tima wakano pola Godi wenze deep maningi Malo unasiya kumutima ni ambidi Swear I regret Baby But the Voice music
Beautiful stuff, man. I don't know what to think about that. It's like an emotional thing. Did the guy mess up? Like, I wish in this situation, this one, I wish I knew fully the language. You know what I mean? Like, let me know in the comment section. What did the song say? I know, like, lero means today. I don't know what he's saying after that. I think that's all I understood. Man, beautiful song. Chile One and Frank Rowe together. That was like magical. Their voices, they are matching. I don't know if they've ever done anything together. I'm actually interested in like seeing, let me say, Frank Rowe featuring Chile One. How many projects have they done? Because that is beautiful. I wish they've done more projects. They should actually consider doing a whole album together. I feel like they will be they've collaborated on Chosen, Vacancy, Echo. Oh yeah, okay, they've done a lot of things together. Like a few projects together, obviously. But yeah, that was a good one. It also seemed like it was live recorded for some reason. Like they were just like on stage waiting for the show to go on, and then they're like, you know what? I have this lyrics. What do you think we just like sing about it right now? It just felt so natural. That's why I think it's one of my favorite songs today. I'm gonna definitely have to listen to it again. Maybe I can get some few things. So if you're from Zambia, let me know what the lyrics are saying down there, because you know sometimes we dance to sad music and sometimes we cry to good music. It's funny like that. But that was a good one. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm, okay? So, yeah. Beautiful song. See you guys on the other side, man.